How to set up Fitbit device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can set up a Fitbit device. Well, to set up a Fitbit device, you'll first need to download the Fitbit app on your smartphone and either create a new account or log into the existing one. So you can open up the application once installed and proceed to sign in here. You can either sign in with Google or sign in with Fitbit. You can choose the particular option. I'm choosing my Google account here. Now you want to ensure your Fitbit device is charged and follow the in-app instructions to pair it with your phone via Bluetooth. So if you are new, you can tap on continue. You as a new user, you want to agree here and then tap on agree and continue and proceed to enter in your details here, such as your weight here. For example, you are 25 lbs, your height if you are here, and you can select your sex and then tap on save and continue. You'll likely need to enter a code displayed on your Fitbit into the app to complete the pairing. So you can tap on allow here, tap on continue, tap on agree and continue and proceed to set it up and save and continue. Then you can see set up a device, tap on add a device, and now you can choose the device to add. For example, you want to add Versa to Smartwatch and it'll ask you, tap on start setup, tap on I agree. Here, now as you can see, I've mentioned before, make sure to charge, place it on the charger and keep it charging until the setup is complete. Tap on continue and make sure to keep it near your phone and on the pairing mode, and you can proceed to add it. So this is how you can set up Fitbit. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.